Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Nangita ba kag balay diri sa Bohol? Akong ini-introduce ninyo guys ang Palacios Grande diri sa Biking Dawis, Bohol. Floor area is 87 square meter, lot area is 120 square meter. Spacious, luag kaayo guys. Ang kanyang living room, dining room, and kitchen area. Ug doon na sab siya lanay and balcony. Og naa sab siya provision for carport. So, ang total price ani is 6.8 million to 7 million. Barato lang kayo ang reservation guys kay 30,000 piso lang. And then ang monthly equity nato is 38,000. Let's go upstairs guys para makita ninyo ang taas na. Upat ka bedrooms, duha ka toilet and bath. This is bedroom number 1. Ayan. Yan yung toilet and bath sa taas. Magka-separate ang toilet and shower. And then this is room number 2. Ito yung pangalawang kwarto guys. Then yung isang kwarto sa baba at isang toilet and bath. Then this is room number 3. So, contact na to avail. Message me guys. Thank you.